Hey, what's up YouTube, it's Serge here. Welcome to another video. In this video I will show you guys a $2000 Beast of Beast video editing PC and an awesome gaming PC. So considering in mind that this build is also for video editing, we are going to use an i7 4770K clocked at 3.5 GHz. It is a quad-core CPU and it has 8 hyper-threading cores, and we are going to do some insane overclocking with our CPU cooler. So for $320 this CPU is pretty badass and we are going to use it. Next up, for the CPU cooler we are going to use Corsair HIDDi. It is one of the best CPU coolers and it is pre-filled liquid CPU cooler, so yeah, you don't have to worry about anything replacing the water on anything, and you will get it for $100. So next up, for the motherboard we are going to use an Asus Maximus V1 Hero. It has some pretty insane features. It supports SLI and Crossfire and maximum RAM for 32 GB, and it is a pretty good board for $190. So next up, for the GPU we are going to use an EVGA GTX 780 Titan. Yes, we are going to use a Titan in this build. It has 3 GB of DDR5 memory and it will be pretty insane for gaming and video editing and all the stuff you would like to do. It will cost you about $700, and yeah, it is a super clocked edition and it has some pretty good ratings on the website. So yeah. To store all of our movies, data, music, games, etc. and our secret boy stuff, we are going to use an Western Digital Caviar Black. It is 2TB 7200 RPM drive. It is a 3.5-inch drive and it has some pretty great performance and reliability, and it is also from the best of the best company, Western Digital. This will cost you about $135. So for the RAM we are going to use Corsair Vengeance 16GB 8GB 2 sticks. This will cost you about $140. And for the boot drive we are going to use an SSD, and we are going to use Samsung 840 Pro 2.5-inch 256GB SSD. It will cost you about $200 and it has some pretty great performance. You are able to get more than 500 MB write speeds and insane read speeds, so it's pretty great for its price. To power all of these awesome computer components we are going to use a power supply from Corsair. We are going to use Corsair HX 850W. It is from the professional series and it has 80+ gold certified, and it is also semi-modular, means that only the CPU and the motherboard 24-pin connectors are attached to it, and it's all up to you whether you'd like to connect or not the other cables. This is going to cost you $150. Last part is our case. We are going to use an NZXT Phantom case. It is a full tower case and it has some pretty awesome expandability and lots of space for all of your components. You can later on SLI and you can add a lot of hard drives and SSDs. It has a ton of space for all of the things you can imagine. So yeah, this will run you about $100. So CPU cooler, motherboard, graphics card, and our storage, all of the storage, SSD and hard drive, RAM, SSD, power supply, and our case all wraps up for $2035. So yeah, that wraps up this video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave this video a thumbs up, that would help me a lot. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, peace out.